We know that a lot of our viewers would love to wrench on their own car, but they're very intimidated about it because they have no experience. Now, a lot of the videos we do require a decent set of tools, and experience and confidence also go a long way. Now, again, I'm also going to say that sometimes a video probably makes it look easier than it really is.
I'm like lost now.
Yeah, I know.
But these 5 installs we're going to show you today are going to be completely different. These are 5 installs to your S550 Mustang that I guarantee anybody watching this video can do at home. The best part about these installs, they require no more than one tool, making them even easier. The first thing on my list is going to be a set of the Acelytech LED rear marker lights. Now, these are available in a smoked finish, a clear finish, or a red finish, and are a huge upgrade over the factory lights. Best of all, they're inexpensive and easy to install. You simply reach up behind the bumper, pull the clip, pop it out, and swap in the new light. Worst case, you might need a small set of pliers, but overall, extremely easy and very satisfying to install. So keeping with the lighting theme, the next thing on my list is going to be an LED backup light from Diode Dynamics. This is going to be a great upgrade for your vehicle. When you're backing up, it makes everything much more visible, and also when you're backing up, people will see you. And again, a simple install. Simply lay on the ground, reach your arm up behind the light, turn out the socket, pop the bulb, and replace it with the LED. Next, we're going to go under the hood with the J&L oil separator. The oil separator is going to keep oil vapors from going back in your intake, which over time can damage the engine and degrade performance. Again, a very simple installation. Simply remove the clips for the factory tube and replace it with the oil separator. Next on my list, we're going to move to the interior, and that's going to be the Ford Performance GT350 shift knob. Now, out of the box, that knob will not work on a normal Mustang, but we actually modify them so it'll work on your GT, V6, or EcoBoost. Simply unthread the factory knob, install some Loctite, and thread on the new knob. This is an easy modification you can enjoy every time you drive your car. Number 5 on my list is once again for the manual guys, and that is the Steeda clutch spring. The Steeda clutch spring is going to provide a much better pedal feel and not have the issues of removing the spring altogether. Now, this one you will have to get underneath the dash, and a small set of vice grips will make the installation very easy, but again, very simple to do and very rewarding every time you drive your car. Those are just 5 examples for the S550 Mustang. If you check out our playlist on our YouTube channel, there's a ton more of installations you can easily do it yourself. Many of these installs are going to be very simple. You can do it in your garage, you get the satisfaction of working on your car, and you'll be back on the road in no time.